In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show record type pick lists on a Salesforce Flow screen, a perfect introduction for beginners just getting started with Salesforce Flow. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you have a clear understanding each step of the way. Let's dive right in by getting logged into your Salesforce account. This initial step is easy. Once you're in, we'll head over to the Setup menu. Look for the gear icon situated in the upper right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to all Salesforce customization features. After accessing the Setup menu, utilize the Quick Find search box to make things easier. Type in flows and click on it once it appears in the results. This will bring you to the flows page where you can manage your existing flows or create new ones. We'll be clicking on the new flow button and choosing screen flow, a powerful tool for designing interactive flows that users can directly engage with. For the next step, we want to add a get records element to our flow. This element is crucial as it retrieves the record types we'll be working with. In this case, the specific object you're interested in is record type. So, when prompted to select an object, choose record type. This selection is what allows us to query for the available record types related to our specified object type. Next, set a filter condition where subject type equals your specific object API name. This filter is critical because it ensures that you're pinpointing record types relevant to your Salesforce object of interest. Once filtered, you'll want to store these results in a collection variable. By doing so, you're essentially gathering all designated record types into a single, manageable collection that you can easily pull from later in the process. With the Get Records setup completed, it's time to add a screen element to the flow. On this screen, you'll drag and drop a pick list or drop-down component, creating a visual interface for users to select from. In the properties of this component, set the choice options to a record choice set and choose record type as the value. This setup allows your pick list to dynamically reflect the record types we collected earlier. For a polished and functional pick list, you'll define the choice label and choice value settings. Set the choice label to record type.name, which will display the name of each record type to your users. Then set the choice value to record type ID. This is important for back-end processes as it tells Salesforce which identifier is associated with the selected record type name. The final step involves connecting all these elements to ensure a seamless flow of information. Once connected, be sure to save and activate your flow. Activation is key. It means your flow is ready for use and will function as intended. Now you've successfully created and configured a flow to display a record type pick list in Salesforce, enhancing interaction and functionality for your users. Thanks for joining and happy flowing.